Hey guys, welcome to lesson 3. Um, just want to give you a quick overview of what to expect. This week we'll be completing chapter 2 in the test out materials. So continue your studies there. And I highly recommend taking the practice quizzes and getting all the practice in that you can there. Because that's going to be very similar to, that's going to help you be more prepared for our quiz at the end of this week. So study the questions on the practice quizzes so you can be ready for our lesson 3 quiz, which is due on Saturday night. We also have due this week our part 1 post for our first exploration activity. I have that open over here so I can go through it with you. So part 1 is just your initial post. And so you have these prompts that you have to choose from and select 3 of them. And make sure your initial post is posted by Saturday night at 11 p.m. Mountain Time, so Rexburg time. And then next Saturday will be the second part, which will be just your response to your classmates. And so be sure to participate and work together on this assignment. And I hope you enjoy it. And so I believe that's all we need to cover for this week. As always, reach out if you have questions to either me or our awesome TA. He's done a lot of work so far, and so I make sure you guys thank him for all his help and take advantage of him too. This is our first semester in the class having TAs, and so take full advantage of that. He'll be very helpful, and I'm here too if you have any questions. But I would suggest first, if you have a question regarding course material, something that you see and test out, something you don't understand, first go to our discussion board so our class can have a look and your classmates can have the opportunity to answer. If you're not getting the answer you're looking for there, or if it's something more urgent, reach out to me. To be honest, a text message works the best in those situations. So shoot me a text. You can email me, but I will probably be a little slower to respond to emails. And just another note, I don't know if I've mentioned this yet, but I do work nights, so my schedule is kind of funky. So I am on all night, so if you have a question in the middle of the night, I will be up. So I'm up from 11 p.m. Let's see, Arizona time, so that's midnight Rexburg time till 9 a.m. Rexburg time is my regular shift. So at 9 a.m. Rexburg time, I'm in bed till probably 3 or 4. So that's the best time to reach me. If you need an immediate response, is at night or in the evenings. Sorry for the background noise. This is my daughter, Lyndon. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hey. Go see what Mom's doing. All right, thanks, guys. Let's have a good week, and I'll have another post for you next week, and I will keep an eye on the discussion boards and look forward to seeing your assignments this week. Thanks, guys.